Jai Shri Gurudev. Welcome to the class. Identify this picture. Who was he? Yes, he was Auguste Comte, the French philosopher, and he was called as father of sociology. Sociology also one of the part of social science. What is sociology? Sociology is a study of human society. It also studies of human social life, social relationship, social institution and social process. Through the sociology, we study about social institutions. So, the meaning of social institution. The social institution fulfill the social needs of human beings. The important social institutions are state, court of law, religion, family and marriage. Which was the important social institution among these? Yes, family is the important social institution. Today we discuss about the meaning of family and characteristics of family. Family. Family is derived from the Latin word famulus. Famulus means to serve. A family rests on the support of emotional pillars, the mother's love, the father's affection, understanding between the husband and wife, the desire to beget children and also nurture them act as the pillars supporting the family. Family means the living together of husband and wife with children or without children for a long time. This is the definition of family. The living together of husband and wife with children or without children for a long time. In ancient families, there were other members along with father, mother and children. But today, the other members are not the family members. Now, families which have no children but have only children are also there. The father, mother, adopted children. Family is the basic institution or basic unit of society because all the activities of the societies are conducted on the basis of family. It is a living cell. The community developed from a family leading to the creation of nation. All for this, family is called a unit of society or basic institution. The another definition of family. The system of relationship between the parents is called a family. The system of relationship between the parents is called a family. The relationship of the family members determined on the basis of kinship. Kinship means blood relationship. The family includes marriage, kinship and adoption. The member of family live under the same roof or same house. The family members like husband, wife, father, mother, son, daughter, brother, sister perform their role because for create culture. Next, socialization. So, the socialization, the meaning of socialization, the process of human beings into a social being. Human being into a social being. So, the family found in all the society. It nurturing the children. Nurturing means rearing of children. It direct the social behavior, dressing, rituals and procreation. Procreation means create young ones and also involves itself in the process of socialization. So, next, the characteristics of family. The important 6 characteristics in family. First one, family is a universal. Second one, it is the basic unit for all social activities. Third one, continuous responsibilities and social accountability. Fourth one, bringing up and nurturing. Next, teach social behaviors. Last one, it instruct the traditions. These are the characteristics or features of family. The first characteristics of family. Family is universal because it is found in all society. So, the important types of societies are hunting and gathering society, pastoral society, nomadic society, agriculture society, rural society, urban society, industrial society and also a information society. So family is found in all these society but it varies in geographical nature and time. Family follow fixed pattern like marriage, nurturing, kinship and property right. The family members reside in the same roof or same house. The second characteristics of family, it is the basic unit for all social activity. Already I explained in the previous class. So this is basic unit or institution because all the activities of the society are conducted on the basis of family. Social activities are political activities, economical activities, educational activities begins from the family. The third characteristics, continuous responsibility and social accountability. Family teaches its members how to behave in the society. It also tries its children how to live with neighbors. Family educates about few responsibilities. For example, save water, protect forest. The fourth one, bringing up and nurturing. The family, it creates the way to nurturing and bringing up. So it give education to the children. The family to take care of elders during their old age. Fifth one, teach social behavior. Family teach social behavior to children. A child learns its mother tongue in the family. The family teaches the children about the ways of interacting with elders and also a peer group. Peer group means the same age group. That means in 9th standard students are most of all the same age. This is peer group. The family control the children's behavior and also teach the behaviors like friendship, freedom, security during childhood, adults and adulthood. Adulthood means middle age and also a old age. The last one, it instructs the tradition. The family stands on several generations. It introduces the kinship or blood relationship. It teaches that grandparents, parents and children belong to different generations. For example, grandparents, first generation, parents are second generation, children are third generation. So the first one, the family that includes father, mother and children is called a second generation family. In this, father, mother, first generation, children, second generation. The second one, the family that includes grandparents, parents and children is called a third generation. Grandparents first generation, parents second generation and children's third generation. The last one, a family that has grandparents, parents, children and grandchildren called as extended family. That means grandparents first generation, parents second generation, children's third generation. and grandchildren for generation. This is extended family. More than 3 generations family is called as extended family. Next, take a homework. First one, what is meant by family? Second one, how the word family is derived. Third one, how is the family is a unit of society. Fourth one, what are the characteristics of family?